Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best Samsung phones in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these Samsung phones, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The best Samsung phone. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the best Samsung phone you can buy right now, combining all the best bits of the S Ultra range and the Galaxy Note range into one sumptuous package. Really though, this is more Note than S, with a Note-like shape, an S Pen stylus, and a slot to house it. This makes it a dream for productivity, allowing you to sketch, edit, and take handwritten notes with ease. But the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra also has the excellent camera hardware you'd expect from the range, including an improved Tank's optical zoom lens, which we were incredibly impressed with in our review. There's plenty of power too, whether you end up with the Exynos 2200 chipset in Europe or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 model in most other places. That coupled with the massive 6.8-inch 120Hz 1440x3088 screen makes the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra a joy to use. And we've really only scratched the surface of what this phone offers. A big battery, fast 45W charging, water resistance, and masses of RAM and storage are all here too, among many other flagship features. Reasons to buy. Incredible cameras and zoom. Excellent little S Pen. Reasons to avoid. No micro SD slot. Battery life could be bad. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy A53. The best budget Samsung phone. The Samsung Galaxy A53 isn't the fastest phone, but it offers a lot for the price. Good looking, it's comfy to hold onto with an understated camera bump on the back. Its 6.5-inch screen uses an AMOLED panel while offering a full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, so it's easily one of the best-looking displays in this price range. Accompanying that is a 64MP main lens, 12MP ultra-wide, 5MP macro, and 5MP depth sensors, so the Samsung Galaxy A53 can take some pretty good photos as helped by some smart software options. A little sluggish at times, we'll still forgive the Samsung Galaxy A53 if you're keen for a great camera and screen without spending a fortune. Reasons to buy. Good cameras for price. Attractive design. Reasons to avoid. Slow charging. Slow navigation. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy S22. The best small Android flagship. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is the baby of the Galaxy S22 range, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't consider it. In fact, as the cheapest of Samsung's flagship trio, it's a very tempting handset, and easily one of the best Samsung phones. In our review, we praise its performance and its stylish yet solidly built construction. It's small by flagship phone standards too, with a 6.1-inch screen and compact overall dimensions, making this a great choice for fans of small handsets. That screen is no slouch though, with a 120Hz refresh rate and a crisp 1080x2340 resolution. The cameras, while no match for those on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, are also fairly good and include a new 50MP main sensor, along with capable ultra-wide and telephoto ones. And as noted, the phone performs well, as it packs a top-end chipset, albeit one which varies depending on your region, and 8GB of RAM. If you need the biggest or best phone around, then this isn't for you, but if you want a capable, compact flagship on a budget, then the Samsung Galaxy S22 is well worth considering. Reasons to buy. Small and solidly built. Attractive design. Reasons to avoid. Not a major update. Camera system pales in comparison to its Ultra cousin. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy A13. The best budget Samsung phone. While Chinese rivals offer more bang for your buck, for those after an affordable phone with Samsung's specific take on Android, look no further than the Galaxy A13. It boasts the same stylish design as the rest of the current series, and as a user experience, One UI is packed with options for customization, as well as a few unique features you can't find on competing budget devices. There's a notable difference to the A13, depending on where you pick one up. Across the board, the 50MP main camera impresses for the price. But in the US, you lose out on the 5MP secondary ultra-wide snapper found on the UK and Australian models, in exchange for 5G connectivity, up from 4G. That's too bad. 5x camera zoom crushes it. New useful S Pen features. Reasons to avoid. Ultra expensive. Slower charging. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. The best 2021 Samsung phone. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra was Samsung's top premium flagship for 2021, and what a phone it is. For the first time, Samsung offered S Pen support on an S-range handset here, meaning that you can optionally get the Galaxy Note range's best feature. But even without that, this is a stunning handset with a brilliant quad lens camera capable of 10x optical zoom. In fact, in our review, we called it the best camera zoom on any readily available Android phone, though the S22 Ultra has since beat it. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra also looks great, with a smooth Gorilla Glass back that has a matte finish that looks better than the reflective Galaxy S20 range, while around the front there's a curved edge-to-edge 6.8-inch screen. And speaking of that screen, for the first time on a Samsung phone you get both the QHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate at the same time. And being a high-end Samsung screen, this is one of the best around. There's also oodles of power, of course, and while obviously very expensive, this actually is a cheaper starting price than the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra did at launch. Reasons to buy. Excellent camera zoom. Mesmerizing design. Reasons to avoid. Expensive at any level. No micro SD card slot.